Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get DarkCommet and set up and all that. So what you're going to need to do, have internet connection and a couple downloads. So what you're going to have to do is go to noip.com and set up a account. And then once you have your account, you want to, I'll just make a host real quick so you guys can see how it's done. So what you guys want to do is go to where it says host name and just name it name it something random. I don't know. And then choose your no IP. See the one where it says no IP free domain. Choose any one of these that are free, not the paid ones, but the free. I'll just choose noip.info or noip.biz. And then keep it on DNS host A. Keep it on this one. And then if you want to go to your IP, you want to type in CMD. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, so type in ipconfig, C-O-N-F-I-G, and then you should get this. Now, where it says wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, you want to go to where it says your IPv4 address, your 192.168.1.8. Copy that or remember it or whatever, and put it down right here. I'm not gonna do it because I already have one. I already have a DNS, and then just keep this the same. Put your IP right there. Scroll down and click add host, but I'm not gonna do that because I already have a host. And then you want to download the application or the software or whatever. Just click on download and it'll download the DUC. And then you want to go to, I'll provide the links in the description. Also with I'll put two programs I'm using, DarkCommet and Cybergate. I like to use both of them, but they're both pretty good. Anyway, so you want to click on DUC. You probably already have it running. Yeah, I already have it running. And you should get this. And go to edit host. And then if your host doesn't show up, you can just create one. But it should show up right there. That's my host I'm using right now. I want to check mark it and click save. Alright, and it should be all checked right there. If you have like a red X somewhere, like here, then you gotta fix that. Mine's all good, so you can just refresh it if you want. You don't have to, and it should refresh it. And it should be good. And now I'm going to use what else do I need? Oh yeah, you need to port forward. Almost forgot about that. Here, let me get rid of some of this. Okay, you need to go to your router. I see. Okay, so if you put in your IP into the search box, you should get a login info. Mine, or not mine, but usually people's the username is usually admin and the password is usually password. So I'm just gonna log in to mine. Well, that's mine. It's probably different for yours. If you don't know what yours is, just contact your manager or whatever it is. Go to advanced, go to port forwarding, and you wanted to just check mark this. I'm gonna delete this so I can show you how to do it. Sorry about that. I'm gonna 192.168.1.8. Just gonna add that real quick. I want to check mark it and then edit the host. Alright, now you can just name this to whatever you want, and then put it on TCP/UDP, not the first one, not the second one, but both. And then pick whatever port is open for your IP. So I'm just gonna do this one because this one works the best for me. Shit. Okay, and then make sure everything's all good. And then you can click apply once you're all done. Check mark it and it should be good. Make sure everything's good. Yep. Now you can go down to your DarkCommet. Mine's right here. I'm just gonna make this a little bit smaller so you guys can actually see it. So you're gonna go to here, listening. Mine's already listening to that. So yeah, here we're gonna go down to edit server and go on full editor, and you want to go to main settings and click on this random button. Just randomize this a little bit. Now you want to go down to network settings. Put your IP right there, or your DNS, doesn't matter, and then your port. I'm going to put my P right there, so and then my port. Should 22 fives. And add. You can do module. You can do however these settings. You can change any of these settings if you want. You can install a message. I'm not going to. You can do any of these check mark boxes. You can do any of these. You can disable antivirus notify or disable security center. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna do any of that because it's just a waste of time for me, and I don't really like to do those. But anyways, you can do choose an icon. I'm gonna choose an icon, and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, and I'm back once again, and sorry about that. I had to choose an icon. Okay, I couldn't find one, so I had to kind of download one and all that. But anyways, so once you got down to your two-step finalization, no, you can choose this. You can choose whatever one you want. You can save the profile. I'm not gonna do it, so I'm gonna build this stub and just save this to my new folder. Actually, desktop stuff. I'll save it in here, which is right there, and then just actually put it. I'm gonna make a new folder real quick so I don't get confused with whatever one I'm using. I'll just call this TUT for short, tutorial for short, and whatever name whatever you want. You can name this. Let's see. Sorry, that's my phone. Let's name this. I don't know why I choose that, but just because. Open and save. It should generate it, and it should be good. Do that. And if you have everything, you can go to where you saved it. And I'm just gonna put this right there. You should get this. And if it worked, you should get this little what is this? Little notification. Now wait, I'll make another video of what you can do because I'm running short. But actually I can keep going, never mind. So I'll make this quick. What you can do once you've gotten your person connected, this is me by the way, this is my computer. So I can control my own computer right now, and I'll show you what you can do. I'll just go to the cool stuff. You can open up the remote desktop and show you this real quick. Choose whatever desktop or monitor or whatever they're using, and you can just close out of that. You don't need it, and then you can start capture. And as you can see, there's my desktop right now. You can see everything, and you can control it too. Kind of like TeamViewer, if you know what that is. If not, just look it up. File manager, keylogger, stored passwords, remote chat. This stuff is pretty straightforward. Remote chat, you guys should know what that is. Stored passwords, I'll show you that real quick. Got it. Refresh this, and then like if you guys are using like Chrome or something, then you guys should see like all these passwords and shit. But I have a VPN, and so well, not a VPN. Well, I do, but I gotta paid one. Anyways, you can I'll answer that Skype message later. Let's see, what else can we do? Remote desktop. I'm not gonna do any of this stuff. Remote shell, you can do keylogger, remote chat. Let's just do this real quick, then I'll go. So this is the other person, and this is you. So I'll just be like, let's do that real quick. Be like, hey, shit, hey, or something. I don't know. And that'll send it to that person, and it doesn't say who it is. It just says a random person that says that randomly. You can do other stuff. Just look up a video on how to do this, or a tutorial on how to use it. If you don't know how to use it, it's pretty easy. But this is a pretty sick program. I like it a lot. You can visit a DDoS function. You can open up a web page. I've done that a couple times and scared some shit out of some people, but Anyway, guys, this is my new tutorial, and I'll be making more videos in the future. If you guys like this tutorial, I will be uploading more videos and programs and all that. I'll show you my DDoS tools, all these DDoS tools right here. I know, I'm still working on a couple of them, but yeah, this is just a tutorial. If you guys like this, please like, comment, and subscribe.